बर'नि सनिया खुइना हाबा जाबाय लोगोफोर नोंथांमोना नुखादों जानो हागौ गोबाङा आब' होनग्राफ्रा गुमै गोदान मोनबाय नोंस्रा आं फुल भिडिअ होगासिनो दं हाबानि उनावहाय बिनि सिगां मोनसे आपडेट होग्रोनो सानो फिन खेबसेबाव गासैनिसिमबो अननाय आरो सिबिनायखौ बावहरनानै लेटलिब्लाबो नैबे मोनानि खौरां बा नोंथाङा सानाव नायदोंब्ला जाय खौरां नोंथाङाबो कभिड भेक्सिन लादोंमोन नामा दा कभिड भेक्सिनखौ स्टाडि खालामफिननायाव मोनसे गेदेर खौरां फैदों इन्टारनेशनेल निउसावहाय जाय निउस खौरांखौ मोनोब्ला नोंथाङाबो बागदावनो हागौ आरो बे मा आं बे खौरांखौ ससेब्लाबो होग्रोनो गोसो जायो
The latest COVID-19 study is providing answers to one of the questions that is often repeated since the vaccines were introduced. How are the vaccines affecting our health? The largest vaccine study to date has in fact identified some risks that are associated with the vaccines. In our next poll, get you all the details.
New Zealand's Global Vaccine Data Network analysed data from 99 million people who received COVID-19 vaccines across 8 countries. Their findings show the vaccines are responsible for a slight increase in neurological, blood and heart-related disorders. The research says 3 doses of Pfizer, BioNTech and Moderna's mRNA vaccines could trigger myocarditis, a rare condition of heart inflammation. A third dose of AstraZeneca vaccine increased the risk of another heart condition, pericarditis, 6.9-fold. The first and fourth dose of Moderna increased the risk 1.7-fold and 2.6-fold respectively. Those who took the AstraZeneca shots had a greater risk of developing a rare neurological disorder, Guillain-Barré syndrome. They also had a 3.2 times increased risk of getting blood clots. The Moderna vaccine increased the risk 3.8 times of the neurological disorder, acute disseminated encephalomyelitis. For AstraZeneca's vaccine users, there was a 2.2-fold increased risk of the disorder. The study also warned of several other disorders that need further investigation. However, it emphasized that the risk of developing any of the mentioned conditions are very small. The research notes that out of 13 billion doses administered, there have been only 2,000 such cases. The study also highlights that the benefits of the vaccines far outweigh the risks. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
सोर भेक्सिनेटेड जाखांखोमोन निउजिलेन्ड ग्लबल भेक्सिन खौहाय जाय निउजिलेन्डआवहाय गोदानै नायबिजिरनायाव मोनदों बहाय गोबाङानो हार्टनि आरो ब्रेननि माखासे डिसअर्डार जानाय मोनदों गोबां प्रब्लेम होननानै नैबे खौरांनि गेजेरजों फोरमायदों गोबांनि देहाया माने सोलियै बायदि माने साख्रुनाय सुख्रुनाय बेफोरबायदि जाहैबाय थायो आरो बे खौरांखौ दा इन्टारनेशनेलि फोसावगासिनो दङ दा गोबाङाथ' लाखाबायानो दा जायफ्रा लायाखैमोन थेंक गड होनगासिनो दं सोरबा कमेन्टफ्रावबो नायोब्ला थ' नोंथांमोना बिनि सायाव मा बुंनो सानो कभिड भेक्सिननि सायावहाय थ' बेबायदि जागासिनो दं थ' नैबे इन्टारनेशनेल निउसनिफ्राय आं कालेक्ट खालामनानै नोंथांमोननो होनाय जाबाय जिखुनुआनो जाया आं मोनसे क्लिप होनो सानो सनिया कुइन नोंथांमोना जायखौ बयबो सिनायो आरो गोबां बर'फोरा मिथियो बिथांनि हाबानि भिडिअ क्लिपखौ आं होगोन कमेन्ट होनो हागोन
kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavadabhya lakshmi agam dharmasya kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavadabhya lakshmi agam dharmasya kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavadabhya lakshmi agam dharmasya kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavadabhya lakshmi agam dharmasya kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavadabhya lakshmi agam dharmasya kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavadabhya lakshmi agam dharmasya kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavadabhya lakshmi agam dharmasya kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavadabhya lakshmi agam dharmasya kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavadabhya lakshmi agam dharmasya kwurang gwtar lakshmi nahare narayan paramatma shanti jale sabhagasam vidavad लक्ष्मी भागम धर्मस्य पूर्णं कृतार्थ लक्ष्मी नरहरे नारायण परमात्मा शांति जले सभागसम विदाभ्य